Have you ever wondered how a digital currency could hold such value? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin, a phenomenon that has taken the financial world by storm. Bitcoin, often referred to as a cryptocurrency, is not just another form of money. It's a revolutionary invention that has reshaped our understanding of what currency can be. Born in the digital age, Bitcoin is a currency that exists purely in the virtual realm, yet it holds real-world value. This intriguing currency came into existence in 2009, introduced to the world by an entity known as Satoshi Nakamoto. The true identity of Nakamoto remains a mystery, but his, or perhaps their, creation has left an indelible mark on our world. Bitcoin was designed with a clear goal in mind: to decentralize currency, to take control away from central banks and governments, and place it back into the hands of the people. The popularity of Bitcoin has grown exponentially since its inception. Today, it's accepted by countless businesses worldwide, from coffee shops to online retailers, and its value has soared, reaching heights that no one could have predicted. But what makes Bitcoin so special? Why has it captivated the attention of millions around the globe? Well, it's not just about the money. Bitcoin represents a fundamental shift in our approach to finance and economics. It embodies the power of decentralization, the potential of blockchain technology, and the promise of a more equitable financial system. Bitcoin is more than just a currency. It's a symbol of innovation and freedom, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and a beacon of hope for those who believe in a more democratic financial future. It's a digital currency that's made its mark on the physical world, disrupting the status quo and sparking a new era of financial innovation. Indeed, Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a technological marvel. And as we delve deeper into the Bitcoin phenomenon, we'll uncover the intricacies of this groundbreaking innovation and the profound impact it's had on our world. So, what exactly is Bitcoin? Well, let's break it down. Bitcoin is a digital form of currency or cryptocurrency created back in 2009 by an unknown person using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies like the dollar or euro, which are issued by central banks, Bitcoin has no physical form and doesn't rely on a government or institution for its value or regulation. It exists solely in the digital realm, making it a decentralized currency. Now you may be wondering how Bitcoin works. It operates on a technology called blockchain, a public ledger containing all transaction data from anyone who uses Bitcoin. Transactions are added to blocks or the links of code that make up the chain, and each transaction must be recorded on a block. But these transactions aren't processed by a bank. They're compiled by a community of miners. These miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that validate each transaction and add it to the blockchain. What sets Bitcoin apart from traditional currencies is its finite supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity is a stark contrast to conventional currencies, which can be printed without limit. Bitcoin's value, like any other commodity, is determined by supply and demand dynamics in the market. When demand for Bitcoins increases, the price increases, and when demand falls, the price falls. This volatility is part of what makes Bitcoin a somewhat risky investment, but also what makes it potentially very profitable. Moreover, Bitcoin transactions are pseudonymous. While all transactions are transparent and visible on the blockchain, the identities of the people involved in the transactions are partially obscured, making it a favored form of currency in the digital black market. However, it's crucial to remember that Bitcoin is more than just a currency or investment. It represents a fundamental shift in global monetary systems and has the potential to change the way we do business, the world over. In essence, Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on blockchain technology. Why has Bitcoin garnered so much attention and acceptance? A question that often echoes in the minds of many. To understand this, let's look at some of the key aspects that make Bitcoin stand out. First, decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't controlled by a central authority, like a government or a bank. Instead, it operates on a peer-to-peer network where transactions occur directly between users, eliminating the need for intermediaries. Secondly, there's anonymity. Bitcoin transactions can be conducted with relative anonymity. While transaction details are recorded on the blockchain, the identities of the parties involved are protected, offering a level of privacy that traditional banking systems often can't provide. Another significant aspect is security. Bitcoin transactions are secured by cryptography. Each Bitcoin carries a complex digital signature, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit. This robust security framework attracts many to its fold. Yet, like all things, Bitcoin isn't without its drawbacks. One of the most notable is its volatility. Bitcoin's value can fluctuate wildly, making it a risky investment for some. But it's this very volatility that also makes Bitcoin an exciting prospect for others, offering the potential for high returns. Moreover, Bitcoin has carved out a unique role in the financial market. As the first cryptocurrency, it has paved the way for others, revolutionizing the way we think about money and transactions. It's a digital asset that has captured the imagination of investors, tech enthusiasts, and even skeptics around the globe. From being an alternative form of payment to a potential store of value, Bitcoin's potential is vast and varied. Its impact on the financial world has been substantial, challenging traditional systems and pushing the boundaries of what we perceive as currency. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin's potential and benefits cannot be overlooked. As we delve deeper into the digital age, it's likely that Bitcoin, along with other cryptocurrencies, will continue to play a significant role in shaping our financial future. So whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious, understanding Bitcoin is becoming increasingly essential. So how does one acquire Bitcoin? Well, there are two primary ways to acquire Bitcoin. The first is to buy it, and the second is to mine it. Let's delve a bit deeper into both. Buying Bitcoin is the more straightforward method. It's done on a Bitcoin exchange, an online marketplace where you can exchange your traditional currency, like dollars or euros, for Bitcoin. Think of it like a foreign exchange market, but for digital currency. You'll need a digital wallet to store your Bitcoin. This wallet can be online, on your computer, or even on a hardware device specifically designed for securing Bitcoin. There are many exchanges to choose from, each with their own pros and cons. Some are easier to use but might have higher fees, while others might offer more advanced features but require a bit more technical know-how. It's important to do your research and find the exchange that best fits your needs. Now let's talk about mining Bitcoin. This is a bit more complex. Bitcoin mining involves solving complex mathematical problems using computer hardware. When these problems are solved, new Bitcoin is created and the solver is rewarded with some of this new Bitcoin. This is how new Bitcoin enters circulation. However, as the number of miners has increased over the years, so too has the difficulty of these problems. Nowadays, mining Bitcoin requires significant investment in specialized hardware and electricity, making it less accessible for the average person. Regardless of how you acquire Bitcoin, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Bitcoin's value can be volatile, and there's always the risk of loss, either through market fluctuations or if your Bitcoin is stolen from your wallet. That's why it's so important to secure your Bitcoin wallet, much like you would safeguard your physical wallet. Acquiring Bitcoin is a process that requires understanding, security, and sometimes a bit of luck. But with careful consideration and a bit of knowledge, it's a process that's more accessible than ever before. Once you have Bitcoin, how can you use it? That's a question many new to the world of cryptocurrency often ask. Bitcoin, like any other currency, is versatile and can be used in a plethora of ways, both online and offline. The most common use of Bitcoin is for transactions. You can use it to purchase goods and services from businesses that accept Bitcoin. This isn't limited to online retailers. Many physical stores around the world also accept Bitcoin. From boutique clothing stores in Tokyo to coffee shops in San Francisco, the global acceptance of Bitcoin is growing at a rapid pace. But it's not just about buying things. Bitcoin also offers a unique investment opportunity. Many people buy Bitcoin with the hope that its value will rise over time, treating it more like a stock or a bond than a currency. This form of investment, known as hodling, has proven to be quite lucrative for early adopters of the currency. Bitcoin also allows for peer-to-peer transactions. This means you can directly send Bitcoin to anyone around the world without the need for a bank or other intermediary. This makes it a popular choice for remittances, particularly in countries where access to traditional banking infrastructure is limited. Another interesting way to use Bitcoin is for charitable donations. Many nonprofit organizations now accept Bitcoin donations, recognizing its potential to reach a global audience. This has opened up new avenues for philanthropy, allowing people to contribute to causes they care about, regardless of geographical boundaries. Lastly, Bitcoin can also be used for microtransactions. These are small, online transactions that traditional payment systems often struggle to process efficiently due to their relatively high transaction fees. With Bitcoin, these microtransactions become feasible, enabling new business models and applications. From buying a cup of coffee to making a significant investment, Bitcoin usage is as varied as it is widespread. Whether you're a consumer, an investor, a philanthropist, or just someone looking to send money abroad, Bitcoin offers a wealth of opportunities. What does the future hold for Bitcoin? As we delve into the 6th chapter of our Bitcoin journey, that's the question we're going to attempt to unravel. Bitcoin's future is as intriguing as its past, a blend of revolutionary technological advancements, potential regulatory challenges, and market predictions. While no one can predict the future with absolute certainty, we can certainly explore the possibilities. Let's start with regulatory challenges. As Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies continue to gain traction, they've caught the attention of regulatory bodies worldwide. The potential for decentralized finance to disrupt traditional financial systems is immense. This could lead to more stringent regulations, or alternatively, the integration of Bitcoin into mainstream finance. Now let's shift gears to technological advancements. Bitcoin is more than just a currency, it's a technology. Improvements in blockchain technology, the backbone of Bitcoin, could lead to faster transaction speeds, greater security, and wider adoption. Bitcoin's open-source nature allows for continuous innovation, making its technological future promising. As for market predictions, they range from extremely optimistic to cautiously skeptical. Some experts see Bitcoin as digital gold, predicting its value will continue to skyrocket in the coming years. Others, however, warn of potential market volatility and the risk of investment bubbles. But what role will Bitcoin play in the future of finance and technology? It's already begun to reshape these landscapes, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional banking and creating new avenues for tech innovation. As we move toward a more digital, interconnected world, Bitcoin's role could become increasingly central. Yet it's important to remember that Bitcoin's future will be shaped not just by market forces or technological advancements, but by us, the users. Our decisions, our values, and our willingness to embrace change will play a critical role in determining Bitcoin's trajectory. While the future of Bitcoin might be uncertain, its impact on the world of finance and technology is undeniable. With its potential to revolutionize how we transact and interact, Bitcoin is more than just a trend. It's a testament to the power of innovation. To sum up what we've discussed today, we've taken a fascinating journey through the intriguing world of Bitcoin. We started by unraveling the Bitcoin phenomenon, the digital currency that has captured the attention of individuals and businesses worldwide. We understood that Bitcoin is more than just a digital currency. It's a decentralized form of monetary exchange that uses cryptographic methods to secure transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify the transfer of assets. Unlike traditional money, Bitcoin isn't controlled by a central authority. It operates within a network that runs on technology and trust, a revolutionary concept that challenges the conventional banking system. We then dove into the reasons why Bitcoin has become so popular. Its decentralized nature gives users more control over their money. It offers potential for high returns, although with high risk. It promises lower transaction fees than traditional online payment mechanisms. Moreover, it's a global currency, making it easier to transact across borders. We explored how to acquire Bitcoin. You can buy it on an exchange using traditional money, earn it through mining, or accept it as a form of payment for goods or services. We also looked at how to use Bitcoin, from making purchases online and offline, to investing and even saving for the future. Looking ahead, we pondered over the future of Bitcoin. While it's impossible to predict with certainty, many believe that Bitcoin has the potential to become a mainstream form of payment, with some even envisioning it as the future of money. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin faces several challenges, including regulatory concerns, volatility, and scalability issues. Despite these challenges, Bitcoin has undeniably made its mark on the world. It has sparked a wave of innovation in the field of digital currencies, with thousands of cryptocurrencies now in existence. It has forced us to rethink the very concept of money, highlighting the potential for a decentralized, peer-to-peer monetary system. Yet, it's crucial to approach Bitcoin with a balanced perspective. While it offers numerous advantages, it's not without its risks and challenges. It's essential to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and consider your financial situation and risk tolerance before diving into the world of Bitcoin. In the world of digital currency, Bitcoin has paved the way, redefining how we view and use money. It's a testament to the power of technology and innovation, a beacon of potential in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Whether or not Bitcoin will become the money of the future remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, it has forever changed the way we think about money, and for that, it deserves our attention and understanding.